My dear friends, today I want to share with you a very important secret. It concerns one feeling, the most decisive one in manifestation. This feeling separates those who effortlessly bring their desires into reality from those who struggle for years, even while knowing all the techniques and methods. It is not faith, not calmness, and not even gratitude. It is naturalness. By naturalness, I mean that state in which your desire, already fulfilled, feels completely normal, familiar, and self-evident. Compare two people. One has just won the lottery. He jumps, shouts, cannot believe his luck. The other has been wealthy for 20 years and manages his prosperity with the same ease as you breathe. The first mind exclaims, "Did this really happen to me?" The second quietly says, "Of course, this is who I am." The first person experiences the desire. The second person is his desire. It is the second person's wealth that remains and grows, while the first person's winnings will most likely slip through his fingers within a few years. Why? Because naturalness is the mark of permanence. Whatever you feel as natural is bound to manifest and stay. Whatever feels miraculous, astonishing, or unbelievable slips away as soon as the initial excitement fades. I understood this principle many years ago through simple observation. Every person has at least one area of life in which they feel completely at ease, completely natural. For some, it is health. For others, relationships. For others, creativity or intelligence. In the area where everything feels natural, where there is no doubt, no anxiety, no need to prove anything, there is stability and lasting results. You don't wake up every morning wondering, "Am I still intelligent? Am I still creative?" You simply are those things, and therefore they persist effortlessly. Now look at the areas where you constantly struggle, where everything requires tension, where lack is felt. There, precisely, naturalness is missing. You are trying to become someone or have something, instead of naturally being and having. Once, after a lecture in Los Angeles, an elegant, educated, articulate woman approached me. She said, "I easily receive small things, parking spaces, chance meetings, pleasant coincidences, but the big desires, true love, financial freedom, dream career, keep slipping away no matter how much I visualize them. Why?" I asked her a simple question. "When you imagine a parking space, what do you feel?" She was slightly confused. "I don't know. I just expect it to be there. It's not a big deal." "Exactly," I replied. "And now tell me, what do you feel when you imagine your dream relationship or financial freedom?" Her eyes widened, her breathing quickened. "Excitement, sometimes very strong. My heart races. It would be so amazing. It would change everything." "There is your answer," I said. "Small things come because they feel natural to you. Big desires don't come because they feel unnatural, improbable, almost impossible. Your very excitement betrays your disbelief." She paused for a long time, then asked, "So I shouldn't feel excited or happy about my desires at all?" I said, "Joy and the first wave of excitement are beautiful when the desire first arises, but if after weeks or months of steady visualization you are still intensely excited, it means you have not yet made it natural. You still treat it as something special, something outside your normal experience. Intense emotions help you become clear about what you want, but what holds and manifests it is naturalness. Excitement says, "It would be wonderful if this happened." Naturalness says, "Of course it's mine. How could it be otherwise?" To make a desire natural, you must remove all charge from it. Drama, thrill, desperation, need. Imagine it fulfilled so often and so consistently that the scene becomes familiar, boring, ordinary. The more mundane you can make the imagined scene, the closer manifestation comes. The boring imagination practice: choose your desire. Do not visualize the climax or the ecstasy. Imagine the most ordinary, routine moment after the desire is already fulfilled. Wealth: casually checking your bank account, paying bills without worry, buying what you need without looking at the price. Love: a quiet Tuesday evening together, shared dinner, comfortable familiarity of being loved. Success: an ordinary workday doing what you love as something completely normal and expected. Imagine this routine again and again until it loses all the wow effect, until it becomes simply the norm of your consciousness. When the desire feels in imagination as natural as the ability to read, breathe, or brush your teeth, it is already on its way into your reality. And when it physically manifests, you will hardly be surprised. You will simply say, well, yes, of course. That's how it should be. This is the main secret, the feeling of naturalness. Cultivate it. Make your desires familiar in consciousness. Remove their drama and specialness. Then they will stop being miracles and become simply the natural extension of who you are.